Praise Lord, everyone. Today's my topic is about who is protecting you and who is robbing you. In day to day life, there are some certain things that we desire to have, or we do have some dreams that you wanted in your life, but at a certain point, things get delayed like weeks, months, sometimes even years. And in that process, we think that God is not supporting us, God is not hearing our prayers, God is not uh, working on us, God is not listening to us. And we also physically we feel frustrated, depressed, and all the emotions that we have in our day to day life. But there is Satan who is stealing your destiny, who is stealing your blessings. What was written for you, what God has planned for you. Until and unless you stay with God, you follow His commands, you be with Him, He will give you a divine protection. If you are not reading Bible daily, if you are not obeying God, God is unable to protect you in any way. He is not protecting you unless and until you invest some time with God. In God, there is so much of difference between investing your time in God, spending in time with God, rather than saying the statements like God is not with us, God is not supporting, He's not hearing our prayers, something like that. There is something in us. There are some chosen people where things get delayed like years. It will be prolonged, but the thing is that it doesn't mean God is not doing something. Satan is stealing the things where you have to achieve them by obeying God. God will guide you in each step. You have to listen to Him, you have to follow His ways. Then only you can uh, protect your blessings and protect your destiny, where Satan won't be able to steal those blessings, and it will be given to you at the right time, at the right thing, what you are desired for, and also what God wanted to do in your life. So Saturn is fighting behalf of you and also the God. So you have to give up your strength and permission to God, so that He can fight your battles. He can win you. He can win the game and have a victory. So better stay with God at the end of the time. Thank you.